So for the first question, what do Toyota's guiding principles mean for its management system? In particular, how do they reflect the principles of total quality? So Toyota's guiding principles shows that its management system is geared towards being socially responsible, where they see its customers and stakeholders as part of the society which they aim to make its global mission possible. And for the second question on how does this reflect in total quality, total quality has three fundamental principles. First is a focus on customers and stakeholders. Second, participation and teamwork by everyone in the organization. And lastly, a process focus supported by continuous improvement and learning.
With these guiding principles in mind, we can conclude that these also reflect the guiding principles of Toyota when it comes to their management system. An example would be on how Toyota focuses on its internal and external customers, including customers of different cultures. This shows that its services aren't limited to a certain group of people, but they make sure that their services reach every customer. Another example is on how Toyota fosters teamwork within the company. Toyota highly values the suggestions, thoughts, and ideas of every customer. That is why 99% of the 650,000 suggestions were adopted by the management. Also, Toyota provides its employees with an educational system that ensures all of its employees are kept up to date, and its newly hired employees are trained accordingly. Lastly, Toyota constantly seeks improvements with their products and systems, mainly in their technology.
So for the second question, we noted that SSM Healthcare learned from manufacturing companies in their quality journey. What can non-manufacturing companies learn and apply from Toyota's philosophy and practices? Suggest specific things that education and government might learn. So SSM Healthcare learned from manufacturing companies, and other non-profit organizations learned from Toyota Motor Corporation. The constancy of purpose and customer focus is exemplary. Their thorough attention to detail and use of Kaizen quality improvement techniques have been well documented. They also employ best practices and quickly disseminate new approaches among organizational units. They also treat their workers as associates and constantly seek suggestions for improvements from their partners.
Education could pick up some ideas on how to become a learning organization from Toyota. By Toyota's philosophy and practices, the education system should learn to provide honest and effective services to the students. They should make sure that the education that they provide to the children is up to the mark and helps in the continuous growth and development of the children.
So the government could use some lessons in how to become more customer friendly and how to develop more effective and efficient processes. The government can learn to respect every culture and provide services to the citizens in a non-biased way. They should ensure the welfare of all the citizens in the best way they can. There should be more respect and cooperation between the officials and team members so that they can provide the best services to the citizens.